How to use Google Lighthouse, how it works, Chrome DevTools, PageSpeed Insights, extensions. Google Lighthouse is a tool that helps improve website optimization in categories like performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and progressive web app, PWA. Performance. Lighthouse measures metrics like first contentful paint, FCP, speed index, SI, largest contentful paint, LCP, and time to interactive, TTI, to evaluate website performance. Accessibility. Lighthouse audits web elements to ensure they are accessible to users with disabilities, such as checking if images have alt text. Best practices. Lighthouse checks if a website follows industry standards and guidelines, including loading resources from secure servers and using proper HTML doc type. SEO. Lighthouse analyzes technical aspects of SEO, like mobile friendliness, structured data, internal link crawlability, and meta tags. Progressive web app, PWA. Lighthouse evaluates the performance of PWAs, including speed, reliability, installability, and adherence to best practices. To use Lighthouse in the Chrome browser, access it through Chrome DevTools by right-clicking on a web page, selecting Inspect, and then clicking on Lighthouse in the toolbar. Lighthouse provides insight and actionable steps to improve website performance, accessibility, SEO, and PWA capabilities. Lighthouse is also an efficient tool when used within Google's PageSpeed Insights. Here's how to navigate this process. 1. Open Google's PageSpeed Insights tool. 2. Enter your web page's URL in the designated area and click the Analyze button. 3. PageSpeed Insights will generate reports for various categories. However, it does not conduct audits for progressive web apps, PWAs. The use of Lighthouse within PageSpeed Insights provides a unique advantage. While Lighthouse uses only lab data to measure the performance potential of your pages, PageSpeed Insights utilizes both lab and real user data. This gives you a holistic view of your page's potential and performance. You can also use Lighthouse as an extension of Chrome and Firefox, but it is not recommended by Google. Plus, you can use Lighthouse as a node module. Google Lighthouse is an indispensable tool for web developers and SEO specialists aiming to optimize website performance and user experience. Whether it's through Chrome DevTools, PageSpeed Insights, a browser extension, or as a node module, Lighthouse offers a variety of interfaces to suit different workflows and needs. Visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com to learn more about Google Lighthouse and SEO.